morning, everyone. Before it turns into the afternoon, my time, I guess, starts now. Thank you very much for the opportunity to the organizers. We are Team RealX. We are a platform for fractional ownership of properties and other assets. I think Prasanna spoke. Oh, like this? Oh, this is tough. So can we amplify this, please? This is tough. So on my time. So again, so yeah, I think I'll restart. Good morning. We are Team RealX. We are a platform for fractional ownership of properties and other assets. And I think Prasanna spoke a lot today morning, and he kind of did my job explaining how tokenization of assets is going to be the future. The future is really here. Uh, so uh, we again, coming back to what we do is we offer investors ability to invest in smaller amounts into properties, building direct rights over the properties, for them. How we do it is with two ownership modes that we offer. One of them is called registered co-ownership, wherein the names, consideration amounts, the PAN card, and the proportional ownership in the property, those details are made part of a registered deed itself, and therefore, quite obviously registered co-ownership. The second mode that we offer is called property tokens. Uh, yes, it is tokens, but the token is not the product. As I said, the first one for ownership mode was registered co-ownership. The second one is built on top of that, and it is right to registered co-ownership. Now that is built exactly in the same way as you have FNOs in the market, where you have a call option, you have a right over a asset, which is a security or even potatoes. So similarly, we built the registered co-ownership construct and built a layer on top of it, which is right to registered co-ownership, executed exactly in the same familiar way as FNO. It is also, the FNOs are also structured as an electronic contract note. We also create an electronic contract note, and this is digitally signed and therefore legally enforceable in courts of law. These, again, FMO example, they are recorded on your favorite NSDLs and CDSLs. We record it on the next generation public blockchain. That's the only difference, and therefore naturally tokenized, naturally transferable, naturally no stamp duty as well. So RealX became the first company, and I think we're still the first company in the world to establish direct legal rights on properties inside blockchain tokens enforceable in courts of law. So that is a global innovation that we have done. While Dubai has been talking about and speaking a lot about two properties that they have transacted, we have done 4 transactions, 2 of them POC, 2 of them commercial, and both our commercial transactions are bigger than Dubai transactions, in India. So first transaction was in Ayodhya. The second was in Dwarka. We recently concluded the Dwarka one on 29th July. So both of the transactions are approximately 10 crores each.